How to upload vertical video on YouTube. Uploading a vertical video on YouTube is easy if you follow these steps. So let's get started. First of all, ensure you have your video as a 9:16 aspect ratio for full screen vertical format. If not, then you can simply tap on the CapCut editing. Now once inside the CapCut, you will get to see new project option available there. Tap on the plus new project and browse through the gallery and select the video you want to upload in YouTube. Then tap on the next option available there. Now all you have to do is scroll at the bottom tab and look for the aspect ratio option available there and tap on it. Inside aspect ratio, you will get to see the YouTube style option available there. Simply tap on the YouTube. Now all you have to do is tap on the export button available at the top right corner of your screen and export it to your camera gallery. Once exported, it will be saved to your gallery. Now all you have to do is open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Now all you have to do is open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Then tap on the plus icon available at the bottom and upload the video you are waiting for. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.